Well, BCAL Diagnostics is developing diagnostics for early detection of cancer, including breast cancer. And joining me now is the new Chief Executive of the company, Anne-Louise Arnett. Great to have you with us, Annie.
Thanks, Juliet. Nice to be here.
So tell us about why you took on the role.
Yeah, I saw a really exciting opportunity with BCAL Diagnostics, the product portfolio that they have in the marketplace and the difference that that can make for patients is really amazing, and I'm really excited about that opportunity. The amount of research and development that have gone into the products, and also being an Australian technology company, is really exciting to me, and it's a great opportunity ahead of us.
You have had some overseas roles as well, so tell us about some of your deep expertise bringing medical products to market.
Yeah, so I've had a long career in the medical technology market, both here in Australia and New Zealand, and as well over in the US. I was based over in the US for 5 years. So I've seen the commercialisation in big global markets, and so bringing some of that expertise back home is great to be a part of. And so very long career in this space, in this industry.
And so now at BCAL, tell us a little bit more about what BCAL does, why you think it's a unique company.
Yeah, so BCAL is all about early detection of cancer and really making a difference in those spaces. And it's got its own in-house developed product with the BreasTest Plus product, as well as just recently, towards the end of last year, signed an agreement with ClearNote to bring both a pancreatic and an ovarian test to the marketplace as well. So there's a lot going on at BCAL right now. If you look at the company for the last 12 months, it's a very different company and very different organisation with the infrastructure that's been set up to open up the channels to the marketplace and set up the distribution networks that we need.
So what do you think has fundamentally changed in the last 12 months, and where do you go from here?
Yeah, a lot of it is about setting up so that the market can access the products, and also getting the referral base set up. So there's been a lot of investment. We've got the collection centres and an agreement with Sonic. We also have those new products coming into the market with the ClearNote products. So there is a lot that has changed.
I assume you've also been brought on to generate revenue. So where are some of the near-term opportunities that you see to accelerate commercialisation here?
Yeah, so the first one I'll start with is the BreasTest product, and you would have seen some of the recent announcements. The product development that we're moving through right now is really exciting, and I can't wait to bring those products to market. That's one of my priorities over the next 6 months, is to bring those products to the market, but also the opportunity we have with the ClearNote products as well, so in ovarian and pancreatic cancer. So that's really exciting. My remit is to grow the organisation, and that's what I'm focused on, is the commercial execution.
So what are your priorities then? You mentioned a couple of them there, but the next 12 months, I assume you've got some KPIs. What are the key ones?
Yeah, so it is about growth. It's all about growth. And so for me, it's the commercial execution and really focusing in on that. So making sure that we've got all of that infrastructure in place so it can smoothly run into the marketplace. And we've also got the early detection platform. So that's been a big change that has happened. And when you think, that's putting information out into the marketplace so that the marketplace is informed that these tests are available and that consumers can ask their doctors about them and get access to those really great products.
So tell us, I guess, the importance here of some of those other cancers you mentioned, because breast cancer does often get a lot of attention, which is great, but pancreatic, ovarian, some of the others that you mentioned, they often don't get detected until quite late.
Yeah, so this is all about early detection, and that's the really nice thing, having a really accessible way via a liquid biopsy to have it more accessible to the market, to patients. They're a rule-out test, so it is about ruling out that you have the cancers. So it's an exciting time.
And when do you think that we will actually see those kind of getting to market?
Well, the pancreatic and the ovarian products are available in the market, as is the BreasTest product, and we are in development for the BreasTest version 2. BreasTest Plus version 2 is coming to the market. We expect that around the September-October timeframe. And so those products are available. I encourage you to go on to BCAL Diagnostics and find out more, also Early Detection Australia, and find out more.
That's great. And what other sort of milestones would you be saying if you had your elevator pitch?
My elevator pitch, it is really about the commercial execution. It's making sure that we have the information out in the marketplace. It's having those distribution networks set up and the referral base set up to provide access so that we can make a difference to patients.
How are you integrating AI, if at all?
Yeah, it's probably a little bit early on.
Okay.
I'm only 1 month in to really understand what we can look at for the future. But AI will have to be a part of our journey. I think it's important that we understand that and where we can bring it into the organisation to create efficiencies and to also support our products.
And for those people watching, I mean, Ausbiz has a lot of investors and they like to get invested into companies. I guess just again, what would be your elevator pitch for somebody looking at buying BCAL?
Yeah, it's an exciting time for BCAL. The products are available in the marketplace. It's our job to get that out there. It's our job to talk to the clinicians so they are confident to refer the products. And so I would just say it's an exciting time because the products are all available.